fans, are you ready for the most grueling and prestigious snowmobile race in the world? '62 RCI Richter Construction Polaris for RCI Racing. Your starting rider, 29 years old from Garfield, Minnesota. Please welcome Orion Bozak. And his co-rider today, 30 years old from Traverse City, Michigan. Welcome Kyle Richter. It is 500 laps, 500 miles are on the legendary 1 mile high banked ice oval.
It's about to be on. If we don't play that shit, homie. Two guns, I got two heads, I got on my back and I call it pride. I got a mean streak, I don't care to hide, and I will fight for my cause even if I die. And I got one heart, I got two fists. I'm a dirty fighter and a strategist. So yo, in 2 minutes I will clean out your bend and I'll clean out your mouth like a toothpick. Hey, yo, something wicked this way to come. Sitting on 2 wheels, carrying 2 guns in a bulletproof suit, looking like a champion. Call me Briggs, done the black Superman. Yeah, I am the evolution of man, and I will win any way that I can. I'll go to war anywhere that I am. I'll go to war. I'll go to war. Even if I die, even if I die, I know what I've been fighting for. Even if I die, even if I die, I will go to war. Even if I die, even if I die.